When I woke up on the morning of March 31st, I noticed lightning flashes outside. I grabbed my camera and went outside to try to get some lightning pictures. My expectation was maybe I would capture some mediocre distant lightning. When I reviewed my footage, I noticed something unusual. While most of the lightning had an orange hue due to the distance of the thunderstorm, this one shows an upward bolt that is distinctly white and purple. What is this? While it somewhat resembles a blue jet, this wasn't the type of storm that would normally produce jets. A lightning bolt traveled upwards into the thinner air and produced a corona brush, which is the purple glow at the end of the bolt. You might call it a blue starter, sort of a failed jet. I hope you found this interesting. Please enjoy some of the other footage and images I captured during this storm. As always, have a great day.